concerning the planet Jupiter. The gas giant does not revolve around the sun after all. Forget everything you knew about space and our solar system. The data when it comes to planets is changing, with scientists being led to the conclusion that after all, what we knew about the rotation of some planets around the sun is probably not true. They just found another 128 new moons around the Saturn's disks. It's got more moons than Jupiter does. The planet Jupiter, the fifth planet in our solar system, starting from the sun, is not just the largest planet, it's a huge planet of such a size that it practically does not revolve around the sun. It's a gas giant with a mass slightly less than 1,000th of the sun, but 2.5 times greater than the sum of the masses of the rest of the planets in our solar system. This fact has a consequence that the center of gravity between Jupiter and the sun is not located inside the sun, but at a point in space just above the surface of the brightest body in the sky. As IFL science explains, when a small object revolves around a large object in space, the one with the smaller mass does not essentially complete a perfect rotation around the larger one, but both rotate with a combined center of gravity. In cases known to the astronomers, such as that of the Earth revolving around its much larger sun, the center of gravity is so close to the center of the large object that the impact of this phenomenon is negligible. The larger object appears stationary while the smaller one traces a circle around it. But the reality is more complicated. For example, when the International Space Station, the ISS, orbits the Earth, both our planet and the ISS revolve around their common center of gravity, which is so close to the center of the Earth that it's impossible to detect the planet's motion around that point, while at the same time the ISS traces a nearly perfect rotation around the entire planet. The same seems to be true for most planets orbiting the Sun, which is so much larger than our Earth, Venus, Mercury, and Saturn, but not Jupiter, the gas giant, whose center of mass is actually 1.07 solar radii from the center of the Sun, or 7% of the solar radii above the Sun's surface. This is also the point in space around both which the Sun and Jupiter rotate. It's noted that Jupiter rotates very quickly around its axis in about 10 hours, faster than all the planets. To be precise, it rotates at 9 hours and 51 minutes. At the same rate of rotation, Jupiter, which is made mainly of hydrogen gas, has an expansion equal to 1/15th. The time it takes to orbit the Sun is about 12 years, 11 years, and 315 days. NASA's Juno mission is trying to solve the mystery of Jupiter. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.